amazing decade and a half. Jerry became the largest private owner of steam locomotives in the U.S., ranging from Canadian National 10-wheeler 1551, dating to the month the Titanic sank, Buffalo Creek and Golly 280 number 13, to larger power including Grand Trunk 484 number 6325. The summertime, regular steam trips between Sugarcreek and Baltic ceased in 1998, staged a comeback in 2001, but ended for good in 2003, largely on liability insurance costs. However, several specials operated throughout these 15 years. Most Octobers saw the much anticipated